It's okay if you're a Ford, Chevy, Dodge person, but it's not okay stopping at a yellow when we both could have made it. This is my 1999 Chevy Silverado that I lovingly call Silverusto. As you can tell, it is quite the filthy. It's been sitting underneath a very dirty tree for probably the last 3.5 years or so. If you'll notice, the windows are clean because I actually cleaned them so I could run a video doing the last bit of muffler videos that I wanted to do with this truck. I couldn't see out the thing, so I had to clean the windows, and they looked just as bad as the body on this thing. Anyway, the sap coming out of that tree has really baked on, and I'm going to have a lot of work ahead of me trying to get this off. I want to get this thing clean because I want to give it one last wash before we give it a proper burial, because this truck is no longer roadworthy. I don't have it licensed or insured because of this right here. The rust has just really eaten away at the frame, and there's hardly anything holding this frame together. You can actually see through the bed of the truck. You can see through the frame. Big chunks are missing. It's just not good. So what we're going to do in this video is get this thing cleaned up, make it look respectable, do a couple last videos with this truck, and we're going to pull the motor for Project ZRS. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see a teaser of what's coming up next for this truck. Let's get to it. So I'm going to try to get all the tree sap off this truck using this solution right here, Super Clean, and my power washer. So let's see how well this stuff works. So I'm just going to spray this 1-to-1 straight out of the bottle. The truck is cool. It's in the cool of the day. It's only like 70 degrees. So I'm going to coat this and let it kind of chill for a minute. And then we'll hit it with the pressure washer. Well, I tell you what, that's a forearm workout right there. Oh yeah, I feel the burn. Let that chill for a minute. As I'm power washing this truck, I'm trying to remember when was the last time I actually washed this thing. And I think it's probably pushing 10 years. Sad, I know. Yeah, I'd say it's working pretty decent. To be honest with you, I don't know if this stuff will just come off with the pressure washer or if the Super Clean is really doing the dirty work, so to speak. Pardon the pun. All right, let's keep going. Going down through here, you can see how sludgy it is, nasty, and then it cleaned up pretty nice. Tell you, I love my Silverado. It treated me really well for so many years. And one of my favorite things about the truck was the color. I didn't really like it when I first bought it, but it quickly grew on me, and I just love it because in certain sunlight, it would look kind of bluish, and in other sunlight, it looked really green. So anyway, I'm gonna go around the rest of the truck and make it look like that. So now I can see my reflection in the paint. Yeah, this truck has, oh goodness, last me 11 years on the road. The drivetrain and everything, this thing still purrs like a kitten. I've been hooning with it up in the top field, doing my muffler videos. Top part of the hood, I think it's gonna be the challenge because it is sun baked on. Clear coat's coming off. This thing has been pretty much in the direct sunlight for the vast majority of the day, but the super clean is gonna have its work cut out for it on the hood. Let's give it a shot. So that cleaned up pretty nicely. Of course, it's not going to stay this glossy after it dries off, but we got a nasty roof to take care of too. I suspect it'll be just as difficult as the hood was. I don't think that's going to do it for tonight. I can't see. So I guess we'll pick this back up in the morning and see how much I missed. But from what I can tell right now, this thing's looking really good. It's kind of too bad I'm pulling the motor and scrapping it. Well, top of the morning to you. There's a good looking truck in my driveway. Where'd this thing come from? Because it was not here last night. So all the sap came off and you can actually see a reflection in the truck. This is the cleanest this thing has been in 10 years. But if we go to the top of the truck, the paint's pretty damaged. The combination of the tree sap and the baking sun has damaged the paint. And if I run my fingers over it, it is rough to the touch. So pretty damaged, clear coat's come off. But the rest of the truck could use a buff and a polish, and it would actually probably turn out pretty nice. So with the outside cleaned up, let's focus our attention on the inside. This thing is an LS powered mousetrap. I have caught over 100 mice in this truck over the last 2.5 to 3 years. But I'm going to take some time to clean this up, as crazy as that sounds. Let's get started. Well, a 24-year-old vehicle with now the structural integrity of a house of playing cards. It cleans up pretty good. Stay tuned, guys. There's going to be more fun with the Silverusto coming up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new content. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure to hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.